Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to film for you a DIY wreath. So I've wanted to have a wreath on the front door for Christmas for ages and wanted to do one myself. So I've bought the wreath and then I've bought a load of different bits that I'm going to entwine and put onto it, and then hopefully show you it in situ at the end. So what I'm going to do now, we'll just go over to me in the dining room and I'll talk you through the different bits that I've bought to go on it, how much they cost, where I got it from, and then I'm not sure if I'm going to do it as a time lapse or as an actual sort of tutorial film me actually putting together. Just a disclaimer, I've never done one before, so fingers crossed it turns out okay. Right, so let's go and do it. So here are all the bits, mainly from a place called Summerhill Nurseries, which is in, I think it's Billericay in Essex. I have actually done a video showing you the Christmas decorations there, so that's either live already or will be soon. It's absolutely gorgeous. So this is the wreath. It was £20. I like this because it's pretty realistic and the individual pieces bend. They're made with wire, so I really like that because you can sort of, you know, if you need to hook something on, like the bauble or one of the baubles or something, it's much easier to do it, or make sure things are quite secure. So that is a really good base for me, I think. Then I got a couple of these. I'm hoping these work. Instead of the normal door hook, I've gone for these. These are like a suction cup with the hook on, and these won't do any damage to the door. So two of those were £3.99. So I'm going to put some little lights on. I think I'm going to sort of feed the lights around it, and I've got a selection of different lights, not sure which I'm going to use yet. These are little Christmas trees and you get 8 in there, warm white. They were from Pound. The only problem with them is they're quite big, look, so I'm not sure if they're going to be too big. I'm not necessarily wanting the decoration, it's more the light I want. These I got last year, again from Poundland, are just little sort of LED ball lights. And then also I got off eBay a selection of different tiny little lights, which I think these might work better actually, and they're not very heavy. So I may use those. Got all different colours, bit of a white one there. That one's pink. Got a big bow, that was £3 from Summerhill, which I may well put at the bottom, so I'm going to see how that goes. Got these little bits here to attach things. I've got some bubble hooks in green to go with the wreath from Poundland, and I've got some twine. And then the actual decorations, I've got 3 of these were £2, little candy canes. Not sure if they're a bit big, so I don't know if I'm going to use those or not yet. I've got this beading, which is glittery, and it's £2.50, and I thought, like with the lights, I might twist that round. What I wanted to go for was a very traditional sort of candy cane, sweetie type, red and green wreath, and with a bit of white. So that's the theme behind it. So the actual sort of decorations, these are just little baubles and a little sweet. You get 2 of those for £1.20 from Summerhill. And then these twisted sweets, again are baubles, 99p each from Summerhill. They're quite big. I bought 2 lots of these, might not use all of them, but they are like little individual stems with little baubles on, and I thought they'd be nice just placed within. And you get, I think it's about 10 in there for £1. So what I'll do is split them up and then just sort of put odd ones just to add a bit of silver in there. Got some red different things. These are like tree picks. All of these next few bits are from Summerhill. They were £2 each. I got this poinsettia, and that's an actual clip. How much was that one? I think that was £2 as well. So that may well go, I thought that might go at the top or at the bottom. And then I bought these 3. I really like these. Again, these are tree picks. These were £1.50 each, and they're on metal, so I can cut those down if I need to. Looking at them now though, I think they might be a little bit big, so I might only put 1 or 2 of those on rather than all 3. And then finally, these little bits here were from Poundland. You might have seen them in the Poundland haul that I did, the Christmas Poundland haul. These all came together in a bundle, but they come apart, which I did know, so £1 for all of them, and I can just use little bits to go around. So I was really pleased to find those actually, because bit of sparkle and it's got the white and the green. So that's all of the bits I've got. I think what I'm going to do, because it's not going to be a tutorial, because like I said, it's the first one I've ever done, so it's going to take quite a bit of fiddling. So I think what I'll do is put you on a time lapse, and then I'll show you the end result. So there it is, all finished. I'm just showing you a bit closer so you can see exactly where everything's gone. I dare say I'll probably have a little fiddle about with it and move a few bits, but it was looking a bit twee with everything sort of perfectly positioned. So the candy canes, I've just sort of put those in a little bit more willy-nilly so it doesn't look quite so prescript. So there we go. So I hope you enjoyed that. I was really pleased with how it turned out. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought, and if I've inspired you maybe to have a go on yourself. So thank you very much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, maybe you might consider hitting the button. Don't forget to hit the bell for the notifications when I'm next uploading. I know a lot of you have done that, and for some reason YouTube has unticked it, so make sure you check your bell. And if you've enjoyed it, please do give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.